As a Hollywood producer, here are 3 reasons why I reject movies. After making 39 movies in Hollywood like Dead Poets Society, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, Plastic Ocean, Titus, The Way Back, March of the Penguins, here are the top 3 reasons why I reject projects that come to me right now. 1, I don't like the project. I wouldn't go see the movie. I won't get involved as a producer unless I really like the project. 2, I don't like the people. I'm sure I would like you, unless the team involved in the movie is a team that I feel is really good, will do a great job, that I can get along with, will get along with me, that I can have great creative collaboration with. It's not going to be a good movie for me, and I won't be a good producer for it. And 3rd, I just don't think it's going to make money. I don't think there's a big enough audience for it to justify the time and especially the money for making the movie. It's better if later, if you ever get it made, I just buy a ticket. What do you think of this? How might you adjust your projects going forward so they appeal more to producers like me? Let me know. Put them in the comments below. Follow me for more.